Hey guys, Matty here again from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. I just wanted to show you guys the importance of having your leaking taps repaired or replaced. So I'll just show you this job we got going on. I'll just show you as you can see, there's a slow drip on both these taps. Now the customer's left this for quite some time, not knowing the damage that's happened in behind the wall. And now because of the damage, we're going to have to replace that plaster so that the mould doesn't become a health risk. So, super important, guys. Get us out, get us to repair or replace them. Take care of it before it's too late. Cheers.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.